Gas-shielded welding. Is it easy to use with gas or without gas? How about today? We use our Tribet 280 sheet king. I brought a plate of flux-cored welding wire and a plate of solid carbon steel wire. We each weld a weld. Let's see how it works differently. Open the hood and see if it works. So here's a big capacitor. It has 6 large capacitors, and this is the control panel. It's the heart of the machine. And there's a little display panel, also a control version. And then what about the following words? And to large main board. This is also an insulated version. To give you a clear view of the main board, I'm going to remove this insulated version. Can you all see clearly? This piece is the IGBT version. It has 8 IGBT single tubes. The big one is a secondary rectifier. This is the output, and the connecting rod is all copper. That's where it puts the wire. There's a lot of room. It can hold 5 to 20 kilograms of wire cut. What about the wire feeder? It is a pure metal high-power wire feeder. This wire feeding wheel has gears on it. Particularly powerful. This machine has a full current of 280 amps. 220/380 its voltage intelligent identification arbitrary connection. How about this full of raw materials? Is solid enough?